when you don't shed blood, when you don't destroy equipment, when you maintain peace, you are a great general. War ought to be the last resort when everything else has failed. We only resort to war when there is nothing more to do. When you have disagreement, that disagreement should be first of all detected, discussed, and resolved. You only should resort to conflict when there is no other way, no other alternative. And actually, conflict should be a method reaching agreement. War can never be an end in itself. Because in any war, both the winners and the losers lose. You can't win a war without costs. Every war has attendant costs, and those costs should be avoided at the most appropriate opportunity to avoid conflict. So, countrymen, learn, sit down and discuss. Learn, sit down and discuss. Talk to each other. Learn to talk to each other. Don't speak without talking. Don't listen without hearing. Don't look without seeing. This Uganda of ours was there before we came. It's here with us. It will be here long after we are gone. And for those of you who are Christians, Jesus said, love your neighbor. Now, this Jesus was very, very careful. He didn't take the trouble to define who your neighbor is. He didn't say your neighbor will be a Wengeye. No. He didn't say your neighbor will be a Muslim. No. He didn't say your neighbor will be a Munyankore or a Nachori. No. He said, love your neighbor. Obaka yanje omwagala watu omwagala munwengo ngedagala baba neighbor wo. Mwabatagala na mwine ekizibu. Abatagala na mwine ekizibu. Mwabepanka. Abaloza muri bakitalo. Muri ba wazari warumu. Oliwa nakasera katono. Okugenda rumu. Atorugenda ngaronsa. Life is but an infinitesimal pause in eternity. If you want to know how long is eternity, how long is forever, you are here for a very, very, very minuscule time. Why don't you make the best of a bad bargain? Whether you want or don't, one fine morning, you will wake up dead. I don't know, this is what they say, whether in heaven or hell or both. I don't know, but one fine morning, whether you want or don't, you wake up dead. So, what shall we remember you for? What did you do when you were here? How have you used your time? Is it for the destruction of mankind or uplifting the quality of life of the people you live with? Shall we remember you for the people you treaded on, or the people whose hand you held and uplifted? Shall we remember you for the people you starved, or the people who are hungry and you fed them? Shall we remember you for the people whose clothes you tore in pursuit of vain, or the people who are naked and you clothed? Shall we remember you for the people?
New Subs Fashions tukutuusaako ebiteeteeyi kw'ossa abaya engato.
Omuzadde kankwanjulire Tukooye College School